Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to turn off night mode on your camera app running iOS 15. Up until iOS 14, there wasn't a way to disable automatic night mode on your iPhones. As you can see, iPhone will decide how many seconds you need to hold your iPhone still to take a night photo. Now with iOS 15, you can prevent this camera feature from activating without your permission. So go into your settings app, then scroll down and tap on camera. Then tap on preserve settings. Then find night mode and enable this feature. As you can read, it'll switch off auto night mode, and now you have to manually tap on it to enable this feature. Now when you go back to the camera app, you can see the night mode which has been enabled, but using the tool below, you can switch it off permanently. Now the next time you open your camera app, night mode will be disabled permanently. And that is how to turn off night mode on your camera app running iOS 15. If you have any questions for me, then please do not forget to add it in the comment section down below. Please subscribe to this channel as it really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to turn on bell notifications so you get alerted for my next videos. If you found this video useful, then please hit the like button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.